there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, I could start this video by completely pretending like nothing is going on in the world right now and just go on to give you some marketing tips and tricks and all that good stuff like I usually do on my channel. But I just want to address the elephant in the room and what I'm doing during this time of that everyone's going through with the virus and with, marketing and business and all that stuff. And so, I'm just going to give you my perspective, some of the proactive measures that not only I'm taking, but that I would recommend that you should take if you are trying to build a business online, or if you are, you are already building a business online, and how to kind of ramp things up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to share some tips and resources that you can tap into to help you accelerate your progress. So yeah, if you want to hear some of those things, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so we all are aware of what's going on in the world, right? Don't have to mention what it is. We all know what it is. And so it has caused a lot of people to kind of look at their business model and come up with, like alternative ways to still run their business. And so, for example, my husband, he is a computer network guy. And so what's happening a lot with his clients is that he is helping the employees work from home remotely, and he is setting them up so that they can successfully work from home. And so at least until this 2-week period is over. And so I work from home already. And so I'm pretty much set up as far as working from home goes. And I have to be honest with you, I haven't been preparing for this event. Like, nobody knew this was going to happen, right? Like, this literally came out of nowhere, right? But 2 years ago, I went through Hurricane Irma. And when I went through Hurricane Irma, I was doing website design. I was doing, just basically month-to-month client work. And so when Hurricane Irma hit, what happened is that, because of the aftermath of the hurricane, we personally did not have internet connection for 3 weeks. Okay. So we kind of had to get online just using our phones and a hotspot. So it was then 2 years ago where I was like, I can't let something like this happen to me again. Like, I have to put systems into place. I have to make sure that I am creating some sort of, residual passive income. And so that, God forbid, something bad happens, the impact won't be as bad as, finding yourself like, oh my gosh, I didn't prepare for this. I only have, this one client job. I don't have anything else in the pipeline. And now I'm basically in trouble, right? So, now all that's being said, nothing is foolproof, right? Because, like, what happens if the internet goes down? Well, then we're all in big trouble, right? But what I knew back then was that I had to run really fast, run really hard, and prepare so that, God forbid, something like this happened again. I knew that if I had obviously an online presence that would continue to work even if I wasn't physically there, kind of like video marketing, websites, sales funnels. If I had online systems that would continue to sell for me when I wasn't online, well, that was better than what I was doing, which was going month to month to month with no real plan, kind of like living paycheck to paycheck, not knowing what's going to happen next month. So basically, just like Hurricane Irma was the wake-up call that I needed to take massive action, this is going to be a wake-up call for people that may have been, you know, kind of like resting on their laurels, or delaying taking massive action, or delaying starting their YouTube channels, or delaying getting their funnels out there, or delaying, you know, setting up their blog, you know, things that maybe we should have done a long time ago, so that we're at least a little bit more ahead of the game, right? So because the thing is, you know, setting up a YouTube channel, setting up a blog, setting up those things, those are kind of like, they're tried and true, but they're long-term strategies. So right now, what I would be focusing on, and honestly, it's something that I'm really not an expert in, is finding ways to drive traffic quicker, that are low cost or free, but that don't take a lot of time. Because, you know, I would still be doing YouTube, I would still be doing your blog in the background, but you're also going to need to start supplementing with traffic strategies that are more instant, because you are actually connecting with people. And I've said on my channel so many times, like, oh, I'm an introvert and I don't like to be, you know, like, oh, always talking to people and this, that, and the other. But, you know, when push comes to shove, those are some of the things that we need to do. So some examples of, you know, traffic that is more instant, that doesn't have this long incubation period, like a blog or a YouTube channel that needs time to get discovered or put out there, are things like, you know, doing Facebook marketing, as far as like using a business page or your timeline or even Facebook groups to get more instant connection with people. Another good way is you know, going to like Instagram, where, you know, you can connect with people, but there's still the whole, you know, you're doing it online from home, so there's no need to like meet together, so that we can do this whole social distancing stuff, right? Make that a lot easier. Other thing is like Twitter. There's like real-time connection with people. But the thing is, we also have to keep in mind is that our approach is still important, because we don't want to go out there selling. We don't want to go out there pitching. We don't want to go out there, you know, screaming, oh, I'm desperate, look at my business opportunity. You still don't want to do that, because at the end of the day, we're still connecting with people. So I am not an expert in that area. I've done some Facebook marketing before. I already have somewhat of you know, like a warm market of people that follow me and stuff like that. But if you're brand new, you're going to need to equip those skills of learning how to market on places like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and things like that. Okay. So I'm going to give you a few resources that you can tap into for some additional training. Now, if you look inside of my description box right below this video, you'll see that I've got some free training on like Instagram and things like that. Also tonight, the marketing company that I'm aligned with, they focus on traffic strategies. Okay. They basically focus on traffic strategies. They're going to be holding a free webinar tonight that is all focused on traffic strategies on Facebook. They're going to be showcasing a mom that was able to sponsor a bunch of people in a very short period of time using a Facebook prospecting method. I want to check that out, because I obviously also want to help more people get into my primary program, which is a digital marketing platform. And so the digital marketing platform that I'm aligned with is actually the tool that has those systems that you can put together to start, you know, building your business. But the other component of marketing is the traffic part. And anything that is traffic or marketing focused, I am going to recommend that you check out the free training webinar tonight. I will have a link right below this video. You can check it out in my description box. I want to know how to do that, because, you know, like, I have my YouTube channel, but I feel like I need to be out there connecting with more people and helping more people, even if I just dedicate an hour a day to doing that. Typically, I haven't done that. Why? Because things are good. Things are great. You know, your YouTube channel's going, everything's great. Boom, and then you get knocked on the side of the head with this unexpected thing, and you're like, okay, well, I've got this going, but if I want to ramp things up, I got to do things that I haven't done before. And that's kind of like where we're all out. We have got to start thinking outside the box and thinking creatively and do things that we haven't done before. And that might mean the employee who's working in an office, well, guess what? Now they're going to have to learn how to work from home through a virtual connection on their computer. And for someone who is just chilled, you know, doing YouTube videos, well, guess what? I'm gonna have to learn how to do an additional thing on Facebook. Another good thing is Facebook Lives. So I think I'll have a link for Facebook Live training as well, where you have instant contact to a network, and then all you need are the strategies that will help you get in front of these people in a value-based and proactive way, where you still don't sound like a pushy salesperson, because nobody wants to buy from a pushy salesperson, especially now. Okay, so that's my first tip. Start learning traffic strategies that have more instant results. And if you want more instant results, that means you're gonna have to get in there with the people, even though it's virtual, but learn how to strategically, you know, use these strategies so that you still don't come off like a pushy salesperson. So I will have that link for you for that free Facebook prospecting training that's gonna happen tonight. Okay, the second thing I'd be thinking about is, guys, get your systems together. Start putting systems in place. Get a sales funnel in place. Get a lead capture page in place. Get your, you know, bridge pages in place. Now, I'm going to be doing some training on those things, and I will let you guys know as I put these trainings together. And I will be holding these trainings. And then, of course, you're going to need the tools and the systems to put these things in place so that you can start, you know, managing that flow of traffic that you're going to learn through these marketing strategies that you're going to learn, to run those through these offers using the systems and tools. And on my next follow-up video, which will be either tomorrow or Friday, I will be sharing what the company that I'm aligned with is doing to kind of like ease people into the online world now, as these, you know, 15 days are, you know, up soon, hopefully. But anyway, the thing is, you know, if you didn't prepare for what we're going through now, well, let this be the wake-up call that you have to prepare for whatever is going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen, right? But you've got to prepare regardless. And I highly encourage you to start getting your systems together, start focusing on learning digital marketing, learning online marketing, and connecting with people in the right way, you know, without being a pushy salesperson. So I have to do a special shout out, right? Because I'm wearing a shirt here. It says Asheville Dog Academy. And this is my brother, who is in North Carolina, who is a dog trainer. He does have a website presence, but he's a local business. So, you know, if this whole social distancing thing has not kept you from supporting your small local businesses, guys and gals, try to do that. Even if you can't go into a restaurant, order pickup, order curbside service when you can, so that we can at least try and help these local businesses stay in businesses through this 2-week period, or however long it is. Supposedly it's, you know, today is March 18th. Supposedly things are going to start getting back to, you know, somewhat of a normalcy, at least as things opening up is concerned, around early April. So if you can support a local business, go ahead and please do that. If you need your dog trained, my brother's in North Carolina, and you can go to www.ashevilleDogAcademy.com. And I might as well shout out my other brother, who is also a small business owner. He is a barber over in Virginia, and he's got a barbershop called In the Cut Barbershop, I think. I will link it down for you below this video. You know, they're local businesses too. So if there's any way that you can support local businesses at this time, then I highly encourage you to do that while you start setting shop online. And I'll also link his review channel right below my video, because all of us need a little bit of comedic relief during this time, and he's got some pretty funny videos on his YouTube channel. So I will go ahead and link that for you right below this video as well. So Guys and gals, if you have any questions about setting up your business online, or what traffic strategies you should be focusing on, or if you're trying to get your offers together, please leave me comments right below this video, because I want to prepare some trainings to help you guys accelerate your progress as much as I can and help in that way. I also want to share some people who are having for the next 2 weeks, they are giving away either tools, or they're opening up the doors to go into their training systems. One thing that you can go check out is Uber Suggest by Neil Patel. I follow Neil Patel. He's amazing. He's an SEO strategist, and he is opening up the premium sections of Uber Suggest. And that is a keyword research tool. So I will link him right below this video. I just read, I'm on his email list, and he sent out an email this morning about how all this is affecting organic traffic, which is why you need to get into where the people are right now, even if it's virtually with this Facebook training strategy and stuff. Okay. But if you have been doing SEO, organic traffic, things like that, chances are you're not getting as much traffic as you were before all this started. So you want to make sure you know what is going on in the SEO world, and you want to also make sure that you are using the most targeted keywords as possible so that people can find your content. So check out Uber Suggest by Neil Patel. He's opening up the premium sections of his keyword research tool for at least the next couple of weeks. And also check out Digital Marketer Lab with Ryan Dice. He's also opening up Digital Marketer Lab. I'm not an affiliate for any of these things. I'm just sharing it with you so that you can check them out if you want. Digital Marketer Lab is also doing 2 weeks of Digital Marketer Lab. They're opening the doors. If you just want to go in and check out some of their training, maybe you'll find something that will help your business right away. So go ahead and check those out. I will link them below as well. So yes, and then make sure to sign up for the free training that the marketing training company I'm aligned with, they're hosting tonight about Facebook prospecting. And then on Friday, I will be making an announcement about something that my digital marketing, the digital marketing platform that I'm aligned with, is offering for the next couple of weeks. So lots of stuff going on. Be proactive and just double down, take massive action, and start getting your stuff online. That's basically what I can recommend that you do. If you need any suggestions or feedback or anything, just leave them in the comment section below. All right, guys and gals, well, that's it for me right now. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel, which will be very, very soon. So with that being said, guys and gals, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay healthy, be proactive, and get your business online pronto. This has been Barber Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and I'll see you on another video. Bye.